Welcome to Team 10's presentation on global expansion strategy for river recycle. Cleaning rivers has a significant environmental impact which reduces plastics entering the oceans. The target for 8 years is to establish 500 sites and prevent 60% of river plastic waste from entering the oceans. The aim is to provide environmentally and socially responsible solutions, create job opportunities, boost local economy, enhance quality of life, host communities. Impact: effectively clean rivers to reduce plastic reaching the oceans. Innovative technology can intercept 40 to 60% of riverborne floating plastics and debris. Opportunities: business model offers river cleaning services to governments without requiring constant funding. Circular economy: the waste is collected, sorted, reused and recycled, can be replicated and scaled up around the world. SWOT analysis: with strengths, patented technology, sustainable development and multiple UN SDGs, cost-effective business model. Our weaknesses: liability of foreigners and company size. Opportunities: tackling poverty and problems, new target markets like China, threats, nature catastrophes and bigger companies.
Next up, we have the OLI framework, which is consisted of 3 parts: the ownership, location, internalization, specific advantages. First, we have the ownership specific advantages. Firm-specific advantages that River Recycle has is their ability to work with local governments and communities, and their ability to address multiple UN Sustainable Development Goals, and also the profitability of their business. For the resource-based competitive advantage is their patented technology, which is really effective on cleaning rivers and also very cost-effective, offering a good return on the initial investment. Knowledge-based advantage that they should develop is the market intelligence, especially on their new target markets. The dynamic capabilities that they should develop are preparedness for threats and risks, such as natural catastrophes, and also the ability to expand at a good pace. Then we have also constructed in more detail why River Recycle's technology gives them a valuable, rare, inimitable, and organized, sustainable competitive advantage.
The river recycle value creation process consists in 3 steps. The first step is collecting the waste from rivers before they reach the ocean. Then, sorting and separating them from waste. When you have them sorted by a chemical and mechanical process, they recycle and sell the PET that is left. And finally, they use complementary land-based segregating collections for their communities to separate and source the waste. The value proposition for stakeholders based on private benefits the private benefit is that through circular economy business model, River Recycle offers our private companies the opportunity to contribute to a sustainable environment. In local communities, through their action, the company aims to transform urban landscape, enhancing the overall quality of life of people. And in the environment, the efforts align with the multiple sustainable development goals from the United Nations. Around the PESTEL analysis, we got that in political aspects and in general aspects, they need to take into consideration a lot of environmental regulation, economic stability, public awareness, technological infrastructure from the places, climate change impact, and intellectual property protection.
To expand our global strategy, we assessed the nation identified as the primary source of ocean plastic waste. Our investigation reveals Asia's contribution amounting to 80% of ocean pollution. Further research shows that nearly 1,600 rivers worldwide collectively account for 80% of plastic input into the ocean. Our strategy centered on river recycling, emphasizing the need to concentrate effort in Asia. So for 5-year strategy, the initial year, we focus on the Philippines, homing in the Asik River, a key contributor responsible for about 7% of plastic waste. The foundation of our approach involved establishing 100 recycling machines within the first year. For second year, expansion into India and Malaysia. Building on the success and learning from the Philippines, our strategy expanded its footprint to encompass India and Malaysia. The first entailed adopting our methodology strategies to the unique dynamic of this region, fostering partnership and infrastructure necessary for effective waste management. For year 3 and year 4, over the ensuing years, our strategy broadened to its scope to encompass the 9 countries, significantly contributing to ocean pollution. A noteworthy addition is China, ranked 5th globally in contamination. A significant majority, 60% of the Chinese population, is deeply worried about the issue of ocean pollution, and proactive government support for eco-friendly business make it crucial inclusion in our strategy outreach. Our global strategy combines diverse factors or aspects to create a unified approach, including market analysis, collaborating partnership, standards, technology, marketing strategy, and intermodes. But we mentioned about some important part. Financial consideration play a key role, aiding in the formulation of pricing strategies and projecting profitability across diverse markets. Localization effort enable effective communication strategy tailored to each market nuance, while standards technology ensure cost efficiency and uniform performance standards. Centered to our strategy is the emphasis on collaboration and partnership both with global and local partners, fostering synergetic relationship vital for our global expansion.
We're going to focus on the development of collaboration and partnerships with local stakeholders, including governments, environmental agencies, NGOs, and community organizations. We want to become a transnational firm. The benefits of becoming this type of firm will be being recognizable and trusted brand identity across the market, having strong partnerships and gain support globally, having a compliance with local standard needs, and finally, having a global efficiency and decision marketing. We're going to propose the following organizational structure. First, they're going to be the board of directors. We're going to have a CEO located in Finland, and they're going to be local leaders in Africa and Asia to really have the connection and establishment of the markets there. We want to thank you for all your time, and in the following slide we have all the pestle analysis for the following countries.